You ever walk into a room and feel like no one notices you? Or worse, you overthink everything and say nothing? Meanwhile, that one confident person has everyone eating out of their hand. Here's the secret. Charisma is not a personality trait, it's a skill. And I'm going to show you how to flip the switch instantly, even if you're awkward. Most people think charisma is something you're born with. They're wrong. What you're missing is a few key psychological switches that change how people feel when they're around you. Hack number 1. State transfer. People feel what you feel. Be intentional with your energy. If you're awkward inside, people feel it. Flip the script. The most charismatic people walk into a room already knowing people will like them. That's not arrogance, that's state control. Hack number 2. Laser eye contact with breaks. Triangle gaze. Break with purpose. Glance away while talking. Re-engage. Hack number 3. The 3-second rule. Don't hesitate before engaging. Approach, speak, or make eye contact within 3 seconds as it kills overthinking loop. Hack number 4. Energy anchoring. Steal the room. Pick the highest energy person in the room, absorb their vibe, and reflect it back as calm confidence. You become the balanced one that everyone is drawn to. Hack number 5. The pause and smile. Formula. You don't have to say something smart. Just pause, smile, and speak slow. 90% of charisma is pacing. Here's a bonus called the charisma frame. Trick. Before entering any room, mentally say, "I'm the host, not the guest." It changes everything. So, which of these are you going to try first? Drop it in the comments. And if you want to make people instantly attracted to you, not just like you, be sure to watch one of my previous videos, How to Tell If Someone Has a Crush on You, right here. Like and subscribe for more dark psychological videos. Thanks for watching and take care of yourself.